Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enable Gzip compression on WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to install a plugin. So scroll down right here until you can see the option right here for plugin. So click on this plugins right here, click on this add new plugin. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see your plugin marketplace on WordPress. So click on the search bar and search in here for W3 total cache. So let's search in here for that. Once you have typed it, just search for this. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see some applications related to this one. So click on this automatic cache flasher. And then from in here, click on this install and activate. Now, as you can see, it's installing the plugin. And then once we have done that, it will actually see the plugin that we have on our WordPress. So click on the Spanish plugin right here, and it will direct you to the plugins that you have installed on your WordPress right here. So when you scroll down right here, you can see this right here. You can also just search for it if you can't see it. So let's search for W3. And then as you can see, it's been activated. Now, notice that this is actually automatic, and that means that you don't need to set it up anymore in order to make this possible. Now, once it is actually automatic and all your W3 total cache has been removed, the Gzip compression has now been enabled on your WordPress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.